Hi, this is John Lux. We've been talking about public offerings, IPOs. And if you want to know more, you can go to my websites, asklux.com or reverse-merger.info. But this little video, we're going to talk about alternatives to doing an IPO. Now, the chief alternative, of course, is the reverse merger, or merger into a public shell. It used to be that when you merged with a public shell, your stock would be trading immediately in the market. But the SEC finally said a few years ago that they weren't going to let the stock trade unless the public had access to complete public information. And they came out with a little item called SEC Release 33-8587, which says within 4 days after you close the merger agreement with a public shell, with a registered public shell, you must make a complete filing. It's done on a form called 8K, and this particular filing has come to be known as the Super 8K because it basically includes all the information you would file in a prospectus with the SEC. It's complete information on the company. The other thing you can do instead of a reverse merger with a shell is you can make a self-filing. Basically, the company files with the SEC to be a reporting company under the Securities Act of 1934. It does not register new stock until after that filing has come to rest and satisfied all the comments that the SEC might have. Then at that time, the company can register stock and start trading. There's some other little exemptions. There's something called a manual exemption. There's many states that allow you, if you have filed information with a recognized financial manual, that will allow you the stock to trade in your state. Now, please note, you not only need a state exemption like that, you need a federal exemption to trade. You can also get the stock trading in the pink sheets if it's not large enough to be a public company. And you just contact me. I'll get you more information on that if you are a small company and want to be public. And there's some other things, like, for example, Regulation A, which is technically not a public offering, but it does everything a public offering does. You file a statement with the SEC that contains pretty much full information on the company. You have publicly trading stock. You can raise millions of dollars. So there are some various things you can do. If you cannot do a full IPO, you can do a shell. You can do a self-filing. You can use the manual exemption, which some companies have used. You can get the stock trading in the pink sheets. You can do a Regulation A offering. You could even go overseas and sell stock. So for more information on all this, I want you to go to my websites, asklux.com and reverse-merger.info. We'll see you there.